your vegan of love. Hola, yo soy tu vegana, tu amor. Today is Cinco de Mayo. Cinco de Mayo is the day that the Mexican army defeated the French army at the Battle of Puebla in 1862. It was a small battle, but that's why it's celebrated so much, because little Mexican army defeated huge French army. But a year later, France ended up taking Puebla again anyway. So anyway, I'm in it for the food, because Cinco de Mayo, we get tortas and menudo, and that's what I'm gonna make today. Join me. I'm here at the Supermercado Nuestra Familia here in Omaha, Nebraska. So here we are, prepped up a little bit. We're making tortas, we're making menudo, we're making refried beans. This is not meat. This is texturized soy bits. But it's gonna taste like carne asada by the time we're done with it. And this guy right here, this Mexican man right here, he's gonna fry these up. And they're gonna look so different by the time we're done with it. It's gonna blow your mind. Here's our status so far. I burnt the bleep bleep out of these Anaheim peppers, but I'm gonna end up rinsing them with warm water to get the black part mostly off, so then they're super soft peppers to put in the torta. Cuminos, tomatoes, garlic, salt, chili powder. And the menudo's cooking up just fine. Here is the menudo. I got bell peppers in there, cabbage, lots of different spices, the soy bits, and then corn. It's called hominy. It's not exactly corn. I think it's like white corn. And I also chopped up some oyster mushrooms to add something a little different. Now I'm going to be putting these bits of cilantro, cabbage, and then squeezing some lemon on it. I'm going to add a little bit of the chili flakes and a little bit of the oregano. Here it is, all ready to eat. And we usually get our tortilla and we just like roll it up and break it up into pieces and dip it in here and get little bits out of it. And last but not least, the Duros. They started out like this, then they got all fried up to this chippy kind of yumminess. And some people put lemon or lime and tajin or chile or chamoy. Yummy. And we're also gonna have ensalada de frutas. Ours has watermelon, honeydew melon, mangoes, and strawberries. A lot of people like to have it with chamoy on it or chile on it. There's also tajin, which is a mixture of different spices. I like it with salt and lime or salt and lemon. But either way, delicious fruit salad.